00 to 01, 01 to 02. Stop! 02 to 03. If you're eating this at night, you're making a huge mistake. 03 to 030. Hook. Every night, millions of people open the fridge before bed. Some grab chips, some eat leftovers, some order fast food. But here's the question. Is late night eating actually making you gain weight? Or is that one of the biggest myths on the internet? Today, we're exposing the truth about late night eating, the foods that can destroy your progress, and the biggest mistakes almost everyone makes after dinner. Stay until the end because mistake number 1 might shock you. 030 to 2. Does eating at night cause weight gain? Most people believe if I eat after 8 p.m., I'll gain weight. But science says it's not that simple. Your body doesn't suddenly turn every calorie into fat because the clock says 10 p.m. The real issue is what and how much you're eating. For example, eating a healthy bowl of Greek yogurt at 10 p.m. is very different from eating a large pizza, fries, and soda at midnight. Weight gain happens when you consistently eat more calories than your body burns. However, late night eating often leads to overeating, and that's where the problem begins. 2 to 3:30. Biggest mistake number 1, eating while watching TV. This is the most common mistake. You sit down to watch YouTube. Netflix starts. A bag of chips appears. Suddenly, the entire bag is gone. Why? Because distracted eating makes it harder for your brain to recognize fullness. You're eating on autopilot. Many people consume hundreds of extra calories every night without realizing it. 3:30 to 5. Biggest mistake number 2, fast food before bed. Late night fast food is one of the worst choices. Foods high in fat, sugar, salt can leave you feeling sluggish the next morning. Heavy meals may also cause bloating, acid reflux, poor sleep quality. And poor sleep creates another problem. The next day, you're more likely to crave junk food again. It's a vicious cycle. 5 o'clock to 6:30, biggest mistake number 3, eating because you're bored. Here's something most people don't realize. Sometimes you're not hungry. You're bored. You're stressed. You're lonely. Or you're simply looking for entertainment. Before grabbing food, ask yourself, would I eat an apple right now? If the answer is no, you may not actually be hungry. 6:30 to 7:30. What happens to your body during sleep? While you sleep, your body focuses on recovery, repair, hormone regulation, muscle recovery. A massive meal right before bed can leave your digestive system working overtime. This doesn't mean you can't eat at night. It simply means portion size matters. 7:30 to 8:30. Healthy late night snack options. If you're genuinely hungry before bed, try Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, a banana, apple slices, handful of nuts, protein shake. These options are generally more satisfying than chips or candy. 8:30 to 9:30. The worst foods before bed. Try to avoid ice cream, candy, sugary cereals, soda, energy drinks, large fast food meals. These foods can lead to excess calorie intake and may interfere with sleep quality. 9:30 to 10. Conclusion. So, is late night eating good or bad? The answer is, it depends on what you're eating and how much you're eating. Late night eating itself isn't automatically bad, but mindless snacking, junk food, and oversized portions can absolutely hurt your progress. Remember, the biggest mistake isn't eating at night. The biggest mistake is eating without thinking. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more health and weight loss content. Comment below, what would happen if you completely stopped eating sugar for just 1 week? Would you lose weight? Would belly fat disappear? Would your energy levels improve? Today, we're breaking down exactly what may happen to your body after 7 days without added sugar. And trust me, day number 3 is where things get really interesting. Day 1, 0:30 to 1:20. The first day is usually the easiest. Your body is still running on the sugar you've been eating. You may not notice major changes immediately, but something important starts happening. Your blood sugar spikes become less frequent. Instead of constantly chasing sugar highs and crashes, your body begins adjusting. Some people even notice fewer cravings after the first 24 hours. Day 2 to 3, 1:20 to 2:20. This is where many people struggle. You may experience sugar cravings, low energy, irritability, headaches. Why? Because your brain is used to regular sugar hits. When those disappear, your body needs time to adapt. The good news? This phase usually doesn't last forever. Most people find the cravings start getting easier after a few days. Day 4 to 5, 2:20 to 3:20. Around day 4, many people notice a surprising change. Their energy becomes more stable. Instead of crashing in the afternoon, they feel more consistent throughout the day. Some people also report less bloating, better digestion, reduced cravings, improved focus. Again, results vary from person to person, but these are common experiences. Day 6 to 7, 3:20 to 4:20. By the end of the week, many people feel completely different. They often report better control over hunger, fewer snack cravings, more energy, improved eating habits. Some may even notice a small drop in body weight, usually because they're consuming fewer calories overall, not because sugar magically disappeared from their body. Biggest mistake, 4:20 to 4:50. The biggest mistake? Replacing sugar with junk food labeled healthy. Many so-called healthy snacks still contain large amounts of added sugar. Always check the nutrition label. Don't let marketing fool you. Ending. Imagine what could happen if you reduced sugar for 30 days instead of 7. Would you try this challenge? Comment below. Could you survive 7 days without sugar? Yes or no? And don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and weight loss videos. Thanks for watching.